Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Now we all know that since you clicked on this video with oil change in the title, you must be one of those aviation nerds who'll watch anything and everything related to airplanes no matter what it is. You're the type that is so hooked on aviation, you'll stop everything just so you can watch a talking pink flamingo prattle on endlessly because you know you'll get some aviation content out of it before it's over. So go ahead and sit your fanny down in that easy chair with your bag of Fritos and prepare yourself to be utterly fascinated as you watch this video. Behold, I give you Bushcat Oil Change. And next week, you can look forward to Bushcat Windscreen Bug Wipe-Off Part 4. And the week after that, 10 things aviation nerds can do with themselves when the internet goes down. Alright, roll tape.